Have you ever wondered how your photos will look as a webtoon-style illustration? What if you could turn a normal picture into comic-style art without installing any app? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the S Pen Drawing Assist can restyle your images using AI. One of the most interesting styles is Webtoon, and here's how to use it. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air command menu. Tap Drawing Assist, tap Restyle Image icon, select an image from your gallery, choose Webtoon as the effect, and then tap Generate. Wait a moment while your phone creates the Webtoon style image. When the result appears, tap the download icon to save it to your gallery. The Webtoon effect is great for creating art style images from everyday photos. It's perfect for backgrounds, object, scene, or creative content, and you can do it quickly using just the S Pen. No extra apps needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.